Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start in Reels or story creation because that's where Instagram gives background control. First, tap the plus icon and pick Reel or Story, then select your clip from Gallery or Record one. Once the clip is highlighted, trim it with the handles to the precise segment you want. This reduces processing and avoids background artifacts. Tap Edit or Effects now. You need the clip active for next steps because Instagram applies new backgrounds only to the selected media. Once the clip is active, tap Effects and search for background, green screen, or removal filters. These automate replacement. Choose Auto Remove to detect subject or select Blur if you want depth. For a custom image, pick Photo Background and choose a new picture. Then adjust intensity, scale, or placement so the subject looks natural. If the automatic mask misses spots, use the mask or erase brush to clean edges. Preview the full clip to catch flicker or edge artifacts. To finish, tap Done, then save draft or share as a story or reel. Make sure captions and tags are set before posting. If you see jagged edges or flicker, reopen the effect, reduce strength, or retrim the clip slightly. Manually paint over problem areas with the Erase or Restore brush. If Instagram lags or crashes during processing, close background apps, update the app, or lower export resolution. These steps fix most performance issues and let you retry quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.